Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Sign-In for iOS using Firebase step by step clearly. To install Google Sign-In for iOS using Firebase, start by creating a new project in the Firebase console. Go to the Firebase website and sign in with your Google account. Click on Add Project and follow the prompts to create your project. Once the project is created, click on iOS to add an iOS app. Enter your app's bundle ID, and click Register App. Download the Google Service Info.plist file and add it to your Xcode project. Ensure that the file is included in the target's build settings. Open your Xcode project and install CocoaPods if you haven't already. Create a new pod file in your project directory using the terminal. Add the Firebase and Google Sign-In pods to your pod file. The entry should include Firebase/auth and Google Sign-In. Save the pod file and run pod install in the terminal. Once the installation is complete, close Xcode and open the newly created .squarkspace file. Import Firebase and Google Sign-In in your app delegate.swift. Initialize Firebase by calling Firebase app.configure in the application _did finish launching with options method. Implement the URL handling methods to manage Google Sign-In callbacks. Make sure to include gid signin.sharedinstance.handle URL in the appropriate methods. In your app's view controller, add a button for Google Sign-In. Create an action for the button that triggers gid signin.sharedinstance.signin. Add delegate methods to handle the success and error cases of the sign-in process. In these methods, use auth.auth.signin with to sign the user into Firebase. Test the Google Sign-In feature on a physical iOS device or simulator. Now, check the Firebase console to verify that user data is being captured. Troubleshoot any errors by reviewing the console logs and verifying your Firebase configuration. Congratulations, you have successfully integrated Google Sign-In with Firebase in your iOS app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.